Good morning, students. So, let's continue chapter 5, India, the land of contrast. Up to now in this chapter, we have learned about the physical features or the physiological divisions of India. And we have learned about the northern mountains and what are mountains also. We have learned about the northern plains. Okay, and now we are on the Great Indian Desert. I have already told you that what is a desert. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. Okay, and a desert, what is a desert? A desert is a barren land that has shortage of water and less plants grow there. So it is a land जहाँ पर barren land होती है, मतलब बंजर land होती है जहाँ पर plants नहीं होते, and has shortage of water means less water, and plants also very less grown there. So you understand what is a desert, and soil is sandy soil present there. And the climate means the average weather condition is very hot and dry in summers. You know that deserts are very hot in summertime and very dry also. Okay, and at night or at winter it becomes a little cooler, very little, or you can say no rainfall there. That is why it is a desert. अगर वहाँ बारिश होती तो वो डेजर्ट थोड़ी ना होता, वहाँ बहुत ही लेस रेनफॉल होता है. That's why it's a desert. Okay, so desert are covered with sand and sand dunes. So everybody know what is sand. You can see in this picture, this is sand. What are sand dunes? अब sand dunes क्या होते हैं? Sand dunes are small hills made up of sand. सैंड के जो बड़े बड़े छोटे छोटे जो हिल बनते हैं रेगिस्तान में, उनको बोलते हैं हम सैंड ड्यून्स. So this is all about desert, and we already have studied where is desert present in our country. It's here. So these are the mountain areas. This green, light green one is the plain area, and this is the desert area. So now let us move towards this fourth one, and the fourth one is the peninsular plateau region. It is a peninsular plateau region. So what is a peninsular plateau region? Let's study. Okay, so peninsular and plateau, they are two different things. First we will study what is a plateau. What is it? A plateau. A plateau is look like this. Okay, means a land which is nearly flat from top and high from the plain land. Okay, so you have studied about the mountains also, that mountains are very high land which have peaks and slopes. You have studied about the plains also, that they are the flat land which is good for growing crops. And there is in between, there is a plateau which is not that high like mountain and not actually flat like a plain. They are like a table. Okay, which is flat on the top. जो टॉप पर तो फ्लैट होते हैं पर थोड़े से हाई होते हैं, ऊपर थोड़े से ऊपर हाई होते हैं. इतने भी हाई नहीं होते माउंटेन जितने, और एकदम प्लेन जितने फ्लैट भी नहीं होते, थोड़े से ऊंचे होते हैं. ओके, लाइक अ टेबल. दे लाइक अ टेबल. सो दे ऑल्सो नोन एज टेबल्ड लैंड. इनके ऊपर भी एग्रीकल्चर होता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज अ प्लेटो? अ प्लेटो इज अ रेज्ड लैंड दैट इज फ्लैट ऑन द टॉप. So what is a plateau? A plateau is a raised land that is flat on the top. So it is raised or high land which is flat on the top. Okay, its shape is like a table, so it is also known as a table land. So you understand what is a plateau? A plateau is not that high like mountain and not totally flat like plain. They are raised land which is flat on the top. They are also known as table land. Now let us learn about the peninsula. Okay, which is written also here, peninsular or peninsula. So look at this picture. This yellow region is the land area, and this blue curls is a sea water area. So what is a peninsula? A peninsula is the area of land which is surrounded by water from three sides, 1, 2 and 3. अच्छा, क्या होता है एक पेनिनसुला? एक पेनिनसुला वो साइड होता है जो वाटर से कवर्ड होता है तीन साइड से, 1, 2 and 3. You can see this. Okay. India is also a peninsula. So if you see this map, this is the shape of the peninsula. ये लैंड हो गया और ये हो गई 3 वाटर बॉडीज, अरेबियन सी, इंडियन ओशन एंड बे ऑफ बंगाल. So what is it? India is also a peninsula which is surrounded by 3 big water bodies. First is Arabian Sea on the west direction, Indian Ocean on the south direction, and the Bay of Bengal in the or in the east direction. So hope you understand what is a peninsula. It is the area of land. This is the peninsula area. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? इस लैंड को हम बोलेंगे पेनिनसुला. So peninsula क्या होता है? Which is surrounded by water from 1, 2 and 3 side. और and the southern part of India, उसका शेप भी ऐसा ही है. तो India is also a peninsula. बहुत सारी बुक में लिखा भी होता है कि India is a peninsula. So what is the meaning of peninsula? Land which is surrounded by water from 3 sides. So India is also a peninsula covered by Arabian Sea. This direction we have Arabian Sea, downside we have Indian Ocean, and from this direction we have Bay of Bengal. So students, तो इंडिया का जो ये सदर्न पार्ट है जो हम देख रहे हैं, ये एक पेनिनसुला है और यहाँ पर प्लेटो भी है. ओके, वी हैव प्लेटो एंड पेनिनसुला, बोथ आर देयर. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट पेनिनसुलर प्लेटो. ओके, दिस एरिया, ये जो ट्रायंगुलर एरिया है इंडिया का, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पेनिनसुलर प्लेटो, बिकॉज दिस इज द प्लेटो एरिया एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो अ पेनिनसुला. प्लेटो होता है टेबल लैंड, हाई टेबल लैंड, और पेनिनसुला मैंने आपको बताया ही था, द लैंड विच इज सराउंडेड बाय वाटर फ्रॉम 1, 2 and 3 sides. Okay, so this area is called the Peninsular Plateau region. इस Peninsular Plateau region का एक नेम भी है. The name is the Deccan Plateau. What we call it? The Deccan Plateau. So let's read this here. So this is the Peninsular Plateau region of India named Deccan Plateau. The peninsular or southern part of India is a plateau. It is called the Deccan Plateau, and many rivers flow through this area. Rivers like Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Mahanadi flow through this region. And we have learned about that mountain region also. वहाँ पर से कौन से rivers निकलती है? गंगा, यमुना, ब्रह्मपुत्र. ओके, अब जो माउंटेन से रिवर बहती है उनमें तो ग्लेशियर्स का वाटर आता है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट व्हेन आइस मेल्ट्स दीज रिवर फॉर्म. बट यहाँ पे तो कोई माउंटेन नहीं है इतना हाई जहाँ से माउंटेन से वाटर आए. सो दीज रिवर्स गॉट वाटर फ्रॉम रेन. Okay, rainwater is filled in this river. Sometimes the river dried also. Okay. So we have learned about the plateaus, we have learned about the peninsula, and we have learned that the southern part of India is called the Deccan Plateau. Okay, this is, I roughly draw the southern part of India. मैंने इंडिया का southern part draw किया है और मैंने यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे से mountains draw किए हैं. Okay, इस direction में भी, in this direction and in this direction also. This is called the Western Ghats because it is in west direction, and this small mountain range are called Eastern Ghats. Okay, because it is in east direction. They are not as high as the Himalaya mountains. ये Himalaya mountains की तरह तो high नहीं है, इनके ऊपर इतना snow ही नहीं है, but they surround the west and the east part of our country. Okay. So this is the Western Ghats and this is the Eastern Ghats. Okay. So what are western and eastern Ghats? They also are the mountain range. अब सवाई माधोपुर में भी तो एक माउंटेन रेंज है, आपको दिखती है ना, बहुत सारे माउंटेन्स हैं. फाइंड आउट द नेम ऑफ दैट एंड टेल मी. सो Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, they are the small mountains surrounding the west and the east part of our country, and they are smaller than the Himalayas region. So this is the picture of the Deccan Plateau. You can see that land is rocky and uneven. आप देख सकते हो ये ऊपर से फ्लैट है ना, फ्लैट, और कितना ऊंचा भी है. And land is also very rocky and uneven. This is the Deccan Plateau of our country. So now our next topic is the coastal plains. We have already studied about the coastal area or the coast, that it is an area where the land meets the sea. ये हमने already पढ़ा था chapter 2 में कि ये एक वैसा एरिया है जहाँ पर land जो है वो sea से मिलती है. It is an area of land where land meets. It is the place where the land meets the sea. So, if we move towards the above map, तो आप देख सकते हो ये जो पूरा एरिया है, this area from here to here, ये पूरा coastal area हो जाएगा, because from this area the sea meets the land, like Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal, they meeting this land area. So see here I have drawn some, that this is the Western Ghats. मैंने आपको already बताया था ये small mountain range है, and this is the Eastern Ghat. This is the also a small mountain range, और यहाँ पर हमारा है Arabian Sea. Here we have Indian Ocean, and here we have Bay of Bengal. So a small strip, ये जो छोटी सी strip दिख रही है आपको, ये है हमारा coastal area, okay, जो इंडिया में located है, which is in India. This is called the Western Coastal Plain because it is in west direction, and this is called the Eastern Coastal Plain because this is in east direction. Okay, so already you know that what are coast वो एरिया है जहाँ पर जो लैंड है वो ओशन और सी से मिलती है. So this is the Western Coastal Plain and this one is the Eastern Coastal Plains. A thin strip here is the Western Coastal Plain in west direction and the Eastern Coastal Plain in east direction. Temperature of this area is moderate, means neither too hot nor too cold. Desert में बहुत hot होता है, mountain में बहुत cold होता है, but here it is not too hot and not too cold. Very good place to live. Now let us talk about the islands. अच्छा ये Iceland नहीं है, this is island. S is silent. Islands. Okay, so see this picture. An island is the land which is surrounded by water from all four directions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Peninsula is surrounded by water from 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. But जो island होता है वो totally water से surrounded होता है. See, island is totally surrounded by water. Okay. And India also have some islands. See this small islands here and the group of islands here, they have name also. This is in Arabian Sea. Its name is the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Have a closer look on them. You can see that this small land is totally surrounded by water. ठीक है? From all the sides. So there are 572 small islands in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and in Lakshadweep there is only 26. Okay, so you can see in this map also. See, this is the map of India, our country, and here we have the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. See, and here is the Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, so let's revise what we have studied in this chapter. We have studied a lot of things. We have studied about the northern mountains located in our country. We have studied about the northern plains located in our country. We have studied about the desert or the Great Indian Desert. We have studied about the peninsular plateau region. We have studied about the coastal plains also, and we have studied about the islands. Mountains, plains, desert, plateau, coastal areas and the islands. Read this chapter and fill the book exercises. If you have any doubt, kindly ask.